video is going to show you some questions that are on a past exam paper, Edexcel. It's a non-calculator exam, so you must show your workings out. So the first one, Matt is drawing a scale diagram. It represents 1 centimetre is 5 metres. So for every 1 centimetre, it equals 5 metres. He draws a line 3 centimetres long. What real distance does the line represent? So we've got 3 centimetre. It's easy, isn't it, what we're going to do? If 1 centimetre equals 5, 3 centimetres equals, you got it, 15, because you've times the 5 by 3. So the answer is 15 metres. The real distance between 2 points is 20 metres. What is the distance between the 2 points on the scale diagram? So we're still using the same scale, but this time it's telling us 20 metres. So let's just pop that into here. So how did we get to 5 to start with? Because we're going to find out our centimetres, this missing bit. So we did this, well, you times by 5, didn't you? So what did we do here to get to 20? What number did we use? Well, what times 5 makes 20? 4. So that is 4 centimetres, because 4 times 5 equals 20. So the answer is 4. Or 4 centimetres. If you're going to say it right, put your units in. The next one is a classic, so bag of counters. And I know you guys hate this question so much, so I'm going to try and break it down as best as I can. Selena has a bag of 22 counters. Just going to underline that because that's key. 5 of the counters are blue. 9 of the counters are red. 8 are pink. Selena takes at random, eyes closed job, and in the bag, a counter from the bag. Write down the probability that Selena takes a red counter. Well, in total, we've got to put our denominator, our total is going to be 22, isn't it? Because that's our total. And it's asking for the probability. That usually comes in the form of a fraction. It hasn't told you that, but put in your mind probability, fraction. So Selena has a bag of 20 counters, check, and she takes a red counter. So where are the red? So there's 9 red, and we're just going to pop that on the top. It's as simple as that, guys. Just as long as you know your total, your denominator, you should be able to solve these. She does not take a pink counter. Now, she's not going to take a pink counter. Take the pink counters out of this imaginary bag. What have we got left? We've got blue counters. Red. Blue and red, isn't it? Yeah. So we've got 5 blue. 9 are red. Add them together, because that's how many is going to be in the bag. So now we've got a new number, a new numerator, which is the top part of a fraction. So we've got 22, because that hasn't changed, and 14. That's all we've done there. We've taken out the pink in our imaginary bag, and it's just what we're left with. So the next one takes a white counter. Come on, guys. It's a trick question. Is there any white counters in there? There isn't. There's blue, red, and pink. So for 1 mark, your answer is simply 0, because there isn't any white counter. It's a cheeky red herring. Very, very cheeky. Can catch people out, that can. So the next one here is work out 1/5 of 300. So to solve these kinds of questions, You go, just rewrite it. It's asking you, the key word here is of. It wants of something. So it's asking you to find out how many times does 5 go into 300. So when we say of, it's usually a divide question. So I haven't got a calculator. I do know the answer just by my own in my head, but I'm not going to do it in my head because that's not going to give you method marks, is it? So we're going to do bus stop method. 5's into 0 doesn't add, 3 does not go. Carry the 3, 5's into 30 goes 6 times. And carry the 0. So the answer is 60. So 1/5 of 300 is 60. So this one is a basic substitution question. And these literally are super easy because all you're doing is putting a number where the letter is. So this question is P equals 2G plus 4H. Now we know that G is 3, so I'm going to put P equals 2 times 3. Remember, it's times because the letter is stuck to that number. And when they're stuck together like that, it means it's a multiplication. Plus 4 times, what's H? 5. So all you've done, if you substituted or you plugged in the numbers where they need to be. G is 3, there's your 3, you're timesing it. So let's solve it. P equals 2 times 3 is 6, plus 4 times 5 is 20, which gives you P equals 26. And that's your answer. And it's 2 marks because, as you can see, there is quite a lot of working out here. You have to show you're working out as you go. Now, in the next question, it says work out the value of G. So this time we're working out what G is when P equals 38 and H equals 3. So this time our P is 38, still using the same equation, equals 2G, because there's no G here, to substitute, plus 4H is 3. So let's do what we normally do. So that's 2G plus 4 times 3 is 12. Next, you've got to take this 12 over the equal sign, remember, because we want to get G on its own. So let's smooth this over a bit. So we've got 2G, and we've taken that over. It's a plus, so it's going to become a negative. If you come this far, when you're not sure, you're doing really well, by the way. And this is stuck together. Remember, it's a times. And we do the opposite, don't we? Like there was a plus there. We went over the equal sign and it was a minus. This is the times. So we're going to divide. It's the opposite. So we're going to divide this 2 into the answer, which here is 26. Yeah, 26. 2 divided by 26 is 13. So G equals 13. Well, I hope you understood that. If you don't, just keep looking for kind of questions like this. If not, on my site, there's Maths Gene is good. Corbett Maths is really good. They have well explained answers. So yeah, good luck, guys.